Today, we're correcting English mistakes even good students make. Ready? Quick! How old am I? I have 25 years? No, I'm 25. In English, we use be for age, not have. I'm agree. I agree. I agree. Agree is a verb. Say, I agree. I finished work and I went to home. Wait. I went home. With home, we don't use to after go. This class is boring. I'm boring? I'm bored. I'm bored. Boring describes the thing. Bored describes the person. She explained me the problem. She explained the problem to me. Say, explain something to someone. Oops, I did a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. We say make a mistake, not do a mistake. I need some advice. She gave me an advice. She gave me some advice. Advice is uncountable, so we don't say an advice. I have a good news. I have good news. News is uncountable, so we don't say a news. I know him since school. I've known him since school. Use the present perfect with since when it started in the past and continues now. I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. Here, to is a preposition, so use a noun or verbing. I'm interested to learn English. I'm interested in learning English. Say interested in, followed by a noun or verbing. Should I study tonight? It depends of the situation. It depends on the situation. Say depend on, not depend of. We discussed about the problem yesterday. We discussed the problem yesterday. Discuss already takes a direct object, so don't use about. I suggested him to go. I suggested that he go. Or, I suggested going. Can you borrow me your pen? Can you lend me your pen? Borrow means receive. Lend means give. I borrowed him my book. I lent him my book. If you give it, you lend it. If you receive it, you borrow it. She's married with a doctor. No. She's married to a doctor. We say married to when talking about a person's spouse. I'm good in English. I'm good at English. For skills, say good at, not good in. I arrived to the airport. I arrived at the airport. Use arrive at for a specific place, like an airport. I arrived to London yesterday. I arrived in London yesterday. Use at for specific places, but in for cities and countries. I'm responsible of this. I'm responsible for this. Use responsible for when something is your duty. Wait me. Wait for me. When you wait for someone, use for. I'm waiting you. I'm waiting for you. Wait needs for before the person. Listen me. Listen to me. After listen, use to before a person or sound. He's afraid from dogs.
From dogs.
He's afraid of dogs. We say afraid of, not afraid from. She's good in cooking. She's good at cooking. She's good at cooking. Use good at for skills and activities. If I would have time, I'd go. If I had time, I'd go. Don't use would after if. Use the past simple. I'm used to wake up early. I'm used to waking up early. After be used to, use a noun or verbing. No, I didn't went there. No, I didn't go there. Didn't already makes it past, so use the base verb. I'm living here since 2020. It started in the past and continues now, so use the present perfect. Okay, What did you learn today that you never really noticed before? Tell me in the comments. And subscribe to Brunera for more English lessons.